Hey guys, we got something unique for you again. This is a Wisconsin customer. This guy called us back about 3 months ago. Him and his wife have just joined this new group. It's kind of buses and bikes. They've got a brand new big bus. So they're gonna be doing a lot of traveling this spring and summer. They said, man, to roll out and run with all these other guys that we've been building bikes for, I gotta have something custom. We started off with a brand new Road Glide. They're gonna take it and they wanna do something very similar to what we just finished up for Rusty. And what that was is a carbon fiber fat tire. And again, these are brand new BST. Where the first one went on Rusty's and the second ones are gonna be going over here on the Schmidts. And again, what they wanted to do is carry a theme of a red, high gloss candy finish on the top, and then it's gonna do a fade down into the black. And I can tell you, Jodi, I'm gonna make you proud. John's wife, Jodi, came in here. We had a great morning kind of hanging out and figuring out what they wanted the bike to be. We've done hundreds of these bikes, so we kind of know what they're gonna want, so we present those to them as ideas of things, how they're gonna ride, where they're gonna ride, what they want the bike to be able to do, and that's what we'll be doing. So you keep watching this one, you'll see as the wheels come in, the paint comes in, a lot of the trim work's done. She said, I gotta have gloss black on everything. Got that done for you, Jodi.
So today, guys, I've been finishing up getting these handlebars on, got all my grip switches wired in, I got my brake line ran through, so now I can get all my gauge cluster, my handlebar pieces up here, so I can get the inner and outer fairing mounted and all the amps done. Got 90% of my wiring done. I'll get the tail lights on, all the body work's all here ready and assembled, so just got a couple little knickknacks to finish up, so hereby, hopefully end of this week, it'll be a lot more of a motorcycle. What we've done this week is we've got the rear fender on, we got the touring pack on, we got all our air ride on, all our wiring done, we got all our sounds, audio wiring done for the 10-inch subs and all that stuff we run. Like I said, and we got the front fender on, wheels, brakes, rotors, floorboards on. We're waiting on the little beauty rings for all our floorboards to come back from getting color matched and everything. So besides that, we'll get the inner and outer cut and put on and go from there. So we got to modify a couple bolts here, shorten them up so we can put the handlebar bezels on. Goes around the handlebar, makes it look nice, and where our center stand switch is held. We should probably get some safety glasses. Safety first. You always gotta have safety glasses. Well, glasses work. And we get our other bolt, we're good to go. And there we go. Put our finished little touches on it with the other screws. And then now that this is on, I can go ahead and get my outer fairing, my inner fairing on, put together, and it'll start looking like more of a motorcycle.
Hey guys, Lee Gibbs for Southern Country Customs. Got, a banger for you today. Got the new LEDs banging. It's hitting hard up here. Got you a 21 fat tire, and we're gonna get a zillion calls. This bike has been built for two of my great customers, John and Jodi Schmidt. They're getting their bike delivered to them about a day or so from now. And guys, when we talk about an absolutely gorgeous, this is one of our premium elites. This is as bad as it gets from SCC. Starting up front, a 21 fat tire, you'll notice here, guys, we used RC components, a real lightweight wheel, big, huge 14-inch rotors, 6 piston calipers, smooth legs from Ness, you name it, this thing's got it. Upgrades in the lower fairing here, tinted lights up in the front windshield, and then when you come back in and look at this paint, this is House of Colors, Kandy Brandywine. So when you call me, say, I gotta have one, that's what you're gonna talk to me about, Kandy Brandywine. This one's got extended tank, and then we got, all the way done. We went ahead and pineapple cut with a show cut on this motor. This is taking this thing to a different level. Jodi and John came down to see us about maybe a month and a half ago, said, hey, we got some things, this is our first custom bike, we wanna do it over the top. And we got talking a little bit, especially me and Jodi. She is so excited about this bike, and this was designed with a lot of her input on the colors, the way the black gloss is done on the rest of the bike. But if you'll look, it's got the brand new SCC floorboards done on it. And again, the custom touches are, we carried that paint theme all the way down through here. You'll notice even in the primary, again, guys, this is where you don't leave anything stock. A lot of the other builders out here, but what I call a 3/4 build. They got some custom touches, they do some custom painting, maybe add some wheels to it. They leave a lot of stock Harley stuff on it. Our clients just want to have something that nobody else has. So if we come back through here, this is a LaPera custom done seat, and we just finished it up. This is the, gorgeous Napa leather. Got the Alcantara, and then we did the double French stitching in here. And again, got Jodi set up back here with what I call the queen seat. Guys, you're gonna love it, that wraparound backrest. This bike also includes the upgraded big audio from Sounds Audio, the guys out of Florida. This thing is awesome, guys. It's got 10s that fire to the inside. We can show you a little bit here. This is a sealed system. This is where you get the big, huge bass. So when you're listening to these bikes, when they're going down the strip, you're wondering, how do they do it? That's how you do it. And then it's always about my boys up at Top Shop. Tony, my bud, he did it again for me. This is your money maker. And I'm talking about when you stretch this thing out, put that fender, and let me do a quick flip and just showing you the rear lights, because again, we're really proud of kind of what we do. We don't follow a lot of trends everybody else does, but you'll notice the LEDs. It really takes this color to a different level. Got the Chop Tour Pack back here, so they've got room for some cargo if they're gonna take some longer rides. This one's getting ready to be shown off at the Bike and Bus deal in Oak Grove, Arkansas in about 2 days. And then it's going all over the country for the summer. So these guys are gonna have an absolute blast. John, Jodi, I'm so excited for you. You're gonna love it. Absolutely beautiful bike. And you know how to get one, guys. All you gotta do is pick up the phone, call me or text me. Let's show them, let's see, because sometimes they'll forget. Let them see that number. All right, it's all about calling 704-740-0705. That's how you get you a bike. We'll build you one exactly the way you want it. Thanks for watching, guys.